This is one classic hepatic lobule. This black one is the sinusoids. These are all sinusoids. And this is the portal tetrad. This is hepatic artery, this is portal vein, this is lymphatic system, and this is bile duct in green color. The blood is coming from the hepatic artery and the portal vein, and they are poured. They are poured inside the sinusoid. Then it get mixed, and here in the sinusoids lie the Kupffer cell, which engulf the Proteus vulgaris. Proteus vulgaris is an organism which is very much fond to invade liver. It engulfed that Proteus vulgaris and also many much microorganisms which is dangerous for our body. Okay, and this Kupffer cell has also a role to engulf the breakdown product of RBC, WBC, and the platelets. Okay. Now blood is coming to the central vein from all sides. Okay, it is hepatic lobule is hexagon in shape, and it is arranged like many much hepatic lobules are there in this slide. This is one hepatic lobule which I have in last form. It is here. Okay, and the flow of blood is towards the center, so centripetal arrangement. This sinusoid has got this perforated wall. These are made of endothelial cell which has got gap in between, and the basement membrane over which the endothelial cell lies has also got perforation, and so blood is coming into this yellow space. That is called subsinusoidal space or a space of Disse. And the blood is coming out from here to at this yellow side, the space of Disse, and then going back through the perforation again into the sinusoids and going to the central vein. This I have shown only once, but it is many times. It is coming, going, but the amount of blood is not returning back in the same amount which it enters into the space of Disse. The some amount of blood remain here and is called lymph, and this lymph has got drainage through this yellow lymphatic system. Okay, this is our space of Disse where the flow of lymph is centrifugal. This arrow shows that it is going from the center to the periphery, so centrifugal. And these are the plates of hepatocytes. These are hepatocyte, the liver cell. Okay, if we look liver cell, it has got microvilli towards the side of a space of Disse. They are microvilli. The many things are taken by the microvilli inside the liver cell. What are these? Like bilirubin, which is present in the blood. Bilirubin is the degraded product of RBC, and they are coming from spleen through the circulation and coming to the sinusoids, then coming to the space of Disse, then through the microvilli it enters inside the hepatocyte. This is our hepatocyte where the bilirubin get conjugated and then delivered into this space. This hepatocyte is a multi-phased cell, has got multiple phase. One side is towards the space of Disse where there is lymph, and one side is in between the hepatocyte, and there it forms a space that is called the biliary canaliculi. And from this biliary canaliculi, this is duct of Hering through which this bile is coming into the cholangioles. This is cholangioles, and through the cholangioles This here is the biliary canaliculi, and this is duct of Hering, and this is cholangiole, and now coming into the bile ductule. This bile is going outside from the center to the periphery, so it has also got centrifugal arrangement. The flow is centrifugal. Now bile ductule of all hepatic cells, the all classical hepatic lobule, this bile ducts get gathered, bile ductule, this green one is the bile ductule, and then all these ductule unite to form the bile duct. This is the, in green color, this is the bile duct. Then right and left hepatic duct, this green one is the right and left hepatic duct. From the gallbladder, this is the cystic duct, and then right and left hepatic duct. Here you can see the right in green one, this is the right hepatic duct, and this is left hepatic duct, and this is the common hepatic duct. Now common hepatic duct unite with the cystic duct to form the common bile duct, which along with the, here is the pancreas, the pancreatic duct opens through the ampulla of Vater into the second part of the duodenum. This is our biliary circulation. And how the blood enters? The blood enters from the whole of the GIT, spleen and the pancreas through the portal vein, and from the abdominal aorta, hepatic artery. All these tubules are coming into the sinus wires, then going into the central vein. From the central vein, this is the central vein. This central vein forms the sublobular vein. These all are central vein. Then unite to form sublobular vein. This sublobular vein, this one, sublobular vein from all the side unite to form the hepatic vein. There are three hepatic vein. This is the hepatic vein. This is the left hepatic vein, this is the middle hepatic vein, and this is the right hepatic vein. All these veins drain into the inferior vena cava. Okay. Now come to the hepatocyte. It has multi-phased cell, and the microvilli is there. It synthesizes many things, that is the plasma protein, albumin, and then it pushes back into the space of Disse. The product which is pushed back into the space of Disse is going to the general circulation, and the drug also get metabolized, and the term is biotransformation. The drug biotransformation has done, and then again pushed back into the space of Disse is going through the excretory product of that is going through the urine. And if the conjugation done, then active secretion occur through this biliary canaliculi, and then to the duct of Hering, to the cholangiole, to the bile ductule, then bile duct, and bile duct opens into the second part of the duodenum and then excreted through the our GIT. Okay. So that will pass through stool, and one which is expelled back to the space of Disse is passed through the urine. Okay. This is the one thing very important, and this hepatocyte, this is the nucleus. This black one is the nucleus, and it becomes enlarged as the age increases, and I also become many in number as the age increases, and it is full of peroxisome, lysosome. There is many mitochondria inside. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum is there. Smooth they are for the packaging purpose, and they are forming lipids. They are forming lipoprotein, SDL, LDL, VLDL, and pushed back into the space of Disse and going into the general circulation through the lymphatics. This yellow one, lymphatics. Okay. So this is our classical hepatic lobule.